So before Dash, we were paper heavy. There was paper. My desk was piled high with paper. We would lose paper, the work authorization. How many times did we lose that? Having the technicians sign the paperwork at the job site, work all day, come back to the office. How many papers flew out the window in the summer? We were just missing a lot of information. So I'm like, there's gotta be a better way. So when we came across Dash, they said, hey, we can go paperless. I'm like, sign me up. So the previous system that I used before Dash was very complex for us. We could never really get it operating properly. One day, we'd be looking at our numbers and I'd be like, oh, hey, your jobs are coming back horrible. Like, I don't know if we can keep you here. And then my financial person come in and go, oh, you know what, I made a mistake. And I'm like, oh, the next day, oh my God, your numbers are great. I had no idea what my numbers were for the last 3 years. I'm like, forget this. We went back to basics. And we were using Luxor, since I had it for a sales development. It also had a job management system that we started using. And it was working out great, but as we were growing, we needed something more. And that's when we came across Dash, and Dash was paperless. Dash was something that my technicians could do right out in the field. And after I looked at it, it was a no-brainer. Dash, the communication, oh my God, it's amazing. Before, the project managers, salespeople, no one knew exactly what was going on with a job. Now, we're paperless, and every single person knows what's going on with a single keystroke of any job. Our communication has been amazing, amazing. My technicians are using this in the field. Whatever they're doing at a job site, they take their phone, they hit the voice button, and they talk into exactly what they've done and what the next steps will be. Our salespeople benefit from Dash because A, when the adjuster or the contractor wants to know what's going on with the job, they pull up their phone, they snap onto the job, and all the details are there. Makes them know up to the minute what's going on with their job. Dash was perfect for us from where we started to where we are now. It's growing with us. Actually, it's helping us grow. When we started Dash, we had 7 people. Now we're at almost 57. We use it very well as a company of 7, and we're using it very well as a company of 57. And as we're growing, it's a no-brainer. We're going to use it as a company of 107.